Miss Amelia at the library, and today is Wednesday, so I have a fun kids activity for us to do together. This week, you can pick up a free Take and Make kit at the Columbus or Saluda Library, and inside has all of the materials for this craft. So if you open up your kit, you've got two big pieces of paper. One is red, and the other one has several different Christmas lights on it. There's also a bag of paint and 3 Q-tips and some ribbon. So the first thing that I'm going to do for this activity is I'm going to cut out with scissors. So if you've never used scissors before, you may want your parents to help you, or an older sibling. And I'm going to use adult scissors, but if you're doing this at home, look for some kid scissors to use because they'll fit your hand better. All right, I'm gonna cut out my Christmas lights. Whoops. And I'm not gonna let them fall off the table. All right, so I'm gonna cut them out. And when you're doing this activity at home, you'll also need a glue stick or some Elmer's glue so that you can glue your ribbon and your lights on to your project. All right, so I've got one light cut out. One of my favorite things about Christmas lights is they can be all kinds of colors. So my Christmas lights that I'm going to be decorating today are going to be red and green and yellow. I may not need all 6 light bulbs for this craft, so there may be some extra ones that you could use for another craft, or you could just paint them for fun and hang them up in the window. All right, so you'll finish cutting, and I'm gonna put one more light bulb on here, and then we're gonna add some glue to our project. All right, I'm all ready for my glue, so I've got my glue stick, and I'm going to take my glue stick and first put my gold or silver ribbon across my paper. Now, I think I'm going to put mine kind of on a slant, like my Christmas lights are hanging on a house, but you can put your ribbon on however you want. And I'm putting ribbon all over the back of, put glue all over the back of the ribbon. So I'm gonna move my little pieces, my little light bulbs down, and I'm gonna add my ribbon. I'm gonna squish it down afterwards so it stays stuck to my paper. And I've got a little bit hanging off here on the side, so I'm going to trim that just a little bit. Here we go. So your paper should look like this. Okay, the next thing we have to do is glue our Christmas lights onto our project. So this part is kind of tricky because you have to hold down the Christmas light and put glue on it at the same time. All right, so I've got one Christmas light. There's 2 Christmas lights. Three Christmas lights, and one more makes 4 Christmas lights on our project. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on my glue because now it's time to get out our paint. And the paint is already into containers, so you don't need to worry about getting new containers for your paint. Just take the lids off very carefully, and if you're wearing clothes that you don't want to get paint on, go ahead and put on an apron or switch your clothes now. This is the kind of paint that will not come out of clothes, so you want to make sure that you are nice and tidy with this paint. Okay, I'm going to roll up my sleeves, and instead of a paintbrush, I'm going to use Q-tips to put dots of paint all over my Christmas lights. Okay, so I'm finished with one Q-tip, and I'm going to put it back in this bag. That way you can use that one as a trash bag. Okay, now I'm going to put red dots. And red is one of my favorite colors, so I'm going to put lots of red dots on here. Okay, and put that Q-tip in my bag. And then my last color is yellow. So I'm going to put some yellow dots on my holiday lights. Now when you let this dry, you could go back if you wanted and use a white crayon or a white colored pencil and draw snowflakes on your red paper so it would look like it's snowing with your holiday lights. All right, and when you're all done, this is what it'll look like. I hope you had fun with this craft. If you are finishing up this craft at home and watching this with your parents or your grandparents or somebody who is old enough to drive, our library is hosting a self-guided holiday light tour of Polk County, and you can find the link to the holiday light map on our Facebook page, library website, or at the end of this video, there will also be some information about it. Have fun!